Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee, car fans. Nothing ruins a road trip or work commute quite like a car breaking down. While some cars are built to last a lifetime, others seem destined for the scrapyard the moment they roll off the lot. Today, we're diving into the least reliable cars that are guaranteed to break down. From infuriating electrical gremlins to catastrophic engine failures, these cars are the automotive nightmares you'll want to avoid at all costs. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 is as charming as it is frustrating. What starts as a quirky, compact city car often ends in a mechanical nightmare. One of its biggest flaws is its unreliable dual-logic transmission, which is prone to jerky shifts and sudden failures. Electrical systems are equally problematic, with everything from malfunctioning lights to non-responsive sensors causing headaches. A common issue involves the power windows, which often stop working and leave drivers stuck in the heat or cold. Repairs are expensive, with even minor fixes requiring specialized parts that can take weeks to arrive. Sure, the Fiat 500 is cute, but this little car is far from cuddly regarding reliability. Number 2. Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport is an SUV with all the bells and whistles, until those bells start ringing loudly with warning lights. Air suspension failures are a rite of passage for Range Rover Sport owners, often requiring costly replacements. Then, there's the infamous oil leaks, which can escalate into more severe engine damage if left unchecked. And let's not forget the electrical system, which seems to have a mind of its own. From malfunctioning infotainment units to non-functioning door locks, this SUV keeps its owners guessing. While it's built to conquer rugged terrain, it struggles with simple as day-to-day reliability. Number 3. Chevrolet Cruz, first generation. The Chevrolet Cruz lures buyers with promises of fuel efficiency and affordability, but it came with a hidden cost: reliability. One of its biggest issues is its cooling system, prone to leaks and overheating. This often leads to blown head gaskets, warped cylinder heads, and even complete engine failure. The transmission isn't much better, with many owners reporting jerky shifts or total failure around 100,000 miles. Electrical issues, like random power loss or dashboard malfunctions, make matters worse. What was meant to be a practical sedan often ends up being a costly regret. Number 4. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2014. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a fan favorite for off-road enthusiasts, but this generation of the popular SUV from 2011 to 2014 is notorious for breaking down when drivers least expect it. A common issue is the 3.6-liter Pentastar engine, which suffers from oil sludge buildup that can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Transmission failures are also rampant, often requiring complete replacements that cost thousands of dollars. Then there's the electrical system, where everything from the infotainment unit to the keyless entry system can suddenly stop working. Owners who take it off-road often find it even less reliable, as components wear out prematurely under stress. Number 5. Mini Cooper. Driving a Mini Cooper can feel like piloting a go-kart, but owning one often feels like a financial roller coaster. Timing chain issues are a common complaint, with many engines failing prematurely due to poor design. Cooling system components, such as water pumps and thermostats, are also prone to leaks and failure. The quirky design of the Mini makes it difficult to repair, with simple fixes requiring hours of labor due to its tight engine bay. If you're considering a Mini, be prepared to trade its fun factor for a constant drain on your wallet. Number 6. Nissan Altima, 2013 to 2016. The Nissan Altima is often marketed as a reliable commuter car, but models from 2013 to 2016 tell a different story. The most infamous problem is the CVT transmission, which is prone to overheating, slipping, and even total failure. The engine isn't without its flaws either, with many owners reporting excessive oil consumption that can lead to engine damage. Suspension problems, such as premature strut and control arm wear, add to the list of grievances. While the Altima may seem like a budget-friendly choice, it often ends up costing much more in the long run. Number 7. Ford Explorer, 2011 to 2019. The Ford Explorer is a popular choice for families, but the generation of the SUV from 2011 to 2019 has a dark side. One of its most troubling issues is the water pump, which is located inside the engine. If it fails, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage, often requiring a complete replacement. Owners also report problems with the EcoBoost engines, which are prone to turbocharger failures and oil leaks. Electrical issues, such as malfunctioning touchscreens and backup cameras, also add to the frustration. For a vehicle that's supposed to be dependable, this Explorer often leaves owners stranded. Number 8. BMW X5, 2011 to 2014. The BMW X5 is a luxury SUV that also comes with luxury-sized repair bills. Turbochargers that fail prematurely, leaking oil seals, and electrical gremlins are all common issues. Even routine maintenance, such as replacing brakes or suspension components, is significantly more expensive than with other vehicles. Owners also report frequent drivetrain malfunctions, with warning lights popping up for everything from the transmission to the fuel system. While the X5 offers style and performance, its reliability woes make it a tough sell for anyone on a budget. Number 9. Volkswagen Passat, 2012 to 2015. The Volkswagen Passat is a mid-size sedan that promises German engineering but delivers endless headaches. Timing chain tensioner failures are a common complaint, often leading to severe engine damage. Turbocharged models also suffer from frequent turbo failures, which can cost thousands to repair. Diesel variants are plagued by emissions-related issues, thanks to the fallout from Volkswagen's Dieselgate scandal. On top of that, electrical problems, such as failing sensors and malfunctioning windows, leave owners frustrated. While the Passat may look sleek, its reliability record is anything but polished. Number 10. Chrysler 200, 2015 to 2017. The Chrysler 200 was supposed to be a stylish and modern sedan, but it turned out to be a disaster. The 9-speed automatic transmission is one of its biggest flaws, often hesitating or shifting erratically. Engine stalling and electrical problems, such as malfunctioning touchscreens and faulty wiring, are also common. Owners frequently report spending more on repairs than the car is worth, leading to the 200 being nicknamed the disposable sedan. Chrysler eventually discontinued it, but not before it left a trail of unhappy customers. Number 11. Tesla Model S, early models. Tesla's Model S revolutionized the electric car market, but early models were far from perfect. Drive unit replacements, touchscreen failures, and battery pack degradation are common complaints. While Tesla's over-the-air software updates can fix some issues, hardware problems often require lengthy service times. Adding to the frustration is Tesla's limited service network, which can leave owners waiting weeks for repairs. Despite its groundbreaking technology, the early Model S struggles with reliability, making it a risky option for used buyers. Number 12. Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey is an SUV that fails to deliver on almost every front. Transmission failures are a recurring issue, with many owners needing replacements before reaching 100,000 miles. The suspension system is equally weak, with components wearing out far too quickly. Electrical problems, such as malfunctioning air conditioning and unresponsive infotainment systems, further add to the headaches. Despite its affordable price tag, the Journey's poor build quality and frequent breakdowns make it one of the least reliable SUVs on the market. These cars may look good on paper or even in the driveway, but when it comes to reliability, they simply fall flat. If you're in the market for a used car, these are the models you should think twice about. Remember, a lower price tag might seem appealing, but the cost of repairs can add up quickly. Thanks for tuning in to Chrome and Coffee. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the best of the auto world. We appreciate you watching our videos more than you know. See you in the next one.